See oh, dem talk say anything wey black na bad thing. As I come black like this finish, when night time reach, himself dey untouch. As we sit down like this, plenty things dey happen. Because e no concern you. Na why you never talk about am. Na why I carry this one come make we talk about am, because when water don pass garri, e don pass garri. About this my neighbor wey be say na one wall dey share our room. This brother don dey fight since yesterday, dey knack himself for ground, dey knack himself for wall. I no fit bear am again. Now as man to man, now as man I come go ask am, bros, wetin dey happen? Who die? Na him come tell me say nobody die o. Say na just this January wey pass. First, him follow him friends make New Year resolution. Say by March end him go reach moon. Na him come tell me say since after the New Year resolution, say after few days dem sack am for work. Him business no dey go well. See him friends go laugh am. See him family go laugh am. And na March we just enter like this. See you know na him go do o. This guy sit there house dey cry. Now I say make I carry this matter come through now because water don pass garri o. And I know say me I no know how to advise person.